Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ian with Black Ops. Today we're going to show you how to install upper ball joints on your CF Moto. Let's dive in. To begin, start by jacking up the front end of your vehicle and removing your front wheels. Using a box wrench, remove the 15mm bolts from the back end of your caliper. With the caliper out of the way, remove the axle nut and pull off the rotor. Remove the nut from the stock upper ball joint and pull it from the knuckle. From there, you can take off the C-clip and press it out of the A-arm. Once removed, begin by pressing in your Black Ops machine upper ball joint. Once fully seated, secure and torque your top nut and don't forget your dust cap. From there, reinsert into the knuckle and secure with the supplied hardware. From there, reinstall your rotor, axle nut, and caliper. Reinstall the wheel and repeat on the opposite side. Remove the jack and your install is complete. We hope this video helped you install upper ball joints on your CF Moto. For more information, head over to blackopsmachine.com.